Electrician pay in Fiji is worth a closer look. The average salary of an electrician in Fiji is 5,600 US dollars a year. After tax, that drops to $5,000, which leaves you with roughly $417 every month in take-home pay. While average electrician pay across the country is modest, electrician income in major cities like Suva is higher at $5,900 after tax, though living costs in the city often eat up that extra money. Starting electrician wages sit well below this average, but pay goes up quickly as you gain experience before it plateaus without a step up into management. Having a university degree is not always required locally, but higher education helps you move into better positions like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, learning special skills within electrical work can help you earn noticeably more than the average electrician salary in Fiji.